What's the deal, everybody? It's your boy Simon Khalil. Thank you for joining me on another one. It's been a long minute, and I'm here to tell you why. So I haven't been posting regularly on YouTube for a couple of reasons. I do have my notes here, so I'm gonna keep this as real as possible. Now, I wasn't gonna make this video, but I was like, you know what? Let's make it. Let's get it out there. And you know what? Hopefully something good happens, and we keep this moving. Keep this trend of YouTube videos continuing. So I don't know if any of you guys knew this or not, but I did used to work a day job and did photography on the side. I was in the tech industry for about 20 years, but I got an update on that, and literally a year ago, I was laid off of my tech job with the company I was with for 13 years. Yes, that sucks. Yes, it puts you in a place where, you know, you don't know when you get some more income, you don't know when you're gonna do this, when you're gonna do that. But I thankfully have a backup plan in my photography. Now, don't get me wrong, I wasn't killing it to the extent where, you know, I lost my day job and, you know, that's it. I'll be able to survive. But I did put, over the last year, a hell of a lot of work into building the photography business as well as video. I don't know, for all you guys that are out there applying for jobs or that are in the tech industry right now, I'm definitely feeling for you, because it came to a point where I was applying and interviewing for so many jobs that I lost track of who the hell I applied for, to the point where it was so bad out there that people weren't getting back to me about the jobs I applied for. And even if I did have an interview, I didn't receive a response about whether it was a good interview, a bad interview, whether I received good news or bad news, sometimes no news at all. So I'm definitely feeling for you guys that are applying right now. The update I have on my side is that I decided to just take photography and videography full force ahead, instead of applying for these jobs and continuing in that career. Or if there's a great opportunity that comes stumbling along, fantastic. But in order to keep myself and my family sane, I'm taking this full time, as well as building it as much as possible. So what am I going to be doing? My focus right now is to do photography and create content for small businesses. That's where I'm heading, all in all. Yes, I'm still shooting weddings. Yes, I'm still shooting portraits. Yes, I'm still doing those editorial shoots and so on and so forth. But I'm trying to focus on small businesses and corporate content. So that way, it's a little bit more stable. You're not really worrying about when the next check is coming. Getting clients on retainer is something that I've come to realize that is such a huge benefit when you're trying to become more stable in the business. Now, I know a lot of you guys are going to ask, like, Simon, what about the family? What about this? What about, you know, your state of mind and so on and so forth? I'll be honest with you guys. My wife came up to me the day after I got laid off, and she said, "This is the first time you woke up with a smile on your face in a very long time." That's all I really needed to hear. As soon as I heard that, everything clicked, and I just went straight into creative mode. Again, this is a short video of me just giving an update about what I've been doing. You will be seeing more YouTube videos coming out soon. I do have a lot of good things planned in place, so that way I keep creating content and giving you guys what you want. So do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit me up in the comments below. Do you think I should be looking for a new job? Should I stay in the photography world because I honestly love it? It's my passion, and I really wanted to make my passion my living. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.